Your AI assistant just gave a brilliant answer to the wrong question. Sound familiar? The model wasn't dumb, it simply never saw what it needed to see. The secret to great AI output isn't a smarter model. It's what you feed it. Welcome to Context Engineering. So what is context engineering? Prompt engineering is choosing the right words for one message. Context engineering is bigger. It's designing everything the model sees at the moment it answers. The instructions, the examples, the retrieved documents, the conversation history, the tools. Think of the model as a new hire on day one, brilliant, but with total amnesia. Here's the story I want you to remember. Every time your AI answers, it walks into an empty office with a blank desk. It knows nothing about your company, your last chat, or today's goal. Context engineering is you, the manager, setting that desk before the meeting. The right files, a clear brief, the tools within reach. Set the desk well, and the new hire looks like a genius. But there's a catch. That desk has limited space. The context window is a fixed budget of tokens, and everything competes for it. Cram in too much, and the important stuff gets buried. Models even suffer from lost in the middle, ignoring what sits between the start and end. More context is not better context. Curation beats volume every time. And here's the mindset shift. Context isn't a static paragraph you write once. It's assembled fresh, on the fly for every single request. A pipeline runs before the model ever sees a token. It fetches, filters, ranks, and formats. So context engineering is really systems engineering. You're not writing a prompt. You're building the machine that writes the prompt, every time. So what goes on the desk? 4 things. Instructions that set the role and rules. Knowledge, pulled in, fresh through retrieval. Memory of what happened earlier. And tools, so the model can act, not just talk. Great context engineering decides what to include, what to leave out, and when. Let's zoom in on memory because it trips people up. There are 2 kinds. Short-term memory is the current conversation, living right there on the desk. Long-term memory is the filing cabinet. Past interactions, user preferences, learned facts, stored outside the window and fetched when relevant. The art is knowing what to keep on the desk, what to file away, and what to pull back out at the right moment. Let's make it real. You're building a customer support bot. A user asks, "Why was I charged twice?" A naive prompt just forwards the question. A context-engineered one does more. It retrieves this customer's billing history, pulls the refund policy, adds their past 2 tickets, and hands the model a tool to issue a refund. Same model, same question, night and day answer. Now, the traps that catch everyone. Mistake 1. Dumping your entire knowledge base in, hoping the model sorts it out. It won't. Mistake 2. Never trimming old conversation until the window overflows. Mistake 3. Vague instructions that assume the model can read your mind. And mistake 4. Forgetting to tell it what not to do. Precision in, precision out. How do the pros keep the desk tidy? They retrieve only the top few most relevant chunks, not the whole library. They summarize long conversations into short memories. They rank and place the most critical facts at the very start or end. And they format context cleanly, with clear labels the model can parse. Structure is a feature, not a nicety. Here's the one thing to carry with you. The model is only as good as the context you give it. When an AI feature fails, don't reach for a bigger model first. Ask what was on the desk. 9 times out of 10, the fix is better context, not a smarter brain. So let's recap. Set the desk before the meeting. Curate, don't dump. Give instructions, knowledge, memory, and tools. Then trim what doesn't serve the task. Do that, and your AI stops guessing and starts delivering. If this reframed how you build with AI, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you'll engineer next.